Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to check out your Amazon seller rating. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here at sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started, and in the upper right corner we can get started with logging into our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is sign up for one. If you have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here that looks something like this. This is going to be your dashboard where you can go and manage your catalog, your inventory, orders, and so on. All the settings that you need are going to be available right here. And now we can get started with taking a look at our rating. Basically, as you can see right here in the official forum of Seller Central, somebody asks, where's my seller feedback score and how do you access it? Basically, what we want to open up is the feedback manager. You can go ahead and open up this thread right here for yourself by finding it and opening up this link directly, or you can just go to your dashboard right here. From your dashboard, you'll be able to go into your account settings and into your store settings and open up your feedback manager. So open up your stores right here and open up the feedback manager option, and from there you'll be able to take a look at all the ratings that your stores have for your products, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.